What's up everyone, welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm going to talk about how you can get updated list of FNO and current expiry trading symbol. Okay, so we're definitely going to start with our pandas, which is import pandas as PD. Okay, and we definitely need an URL. Okay, instruments URL, and in this case I've been already done video. Okay, so you can watch in my channel. And after getting this, you require some of sorting method, which I'm gonna do. Okay, so we'll call /instruments. Okay, and we straight away get with our segment type exactly, which is NFO option. Okay, so we try to get with what type of I'm looking for. So basically if you visit this URL or say download this stuff, okay, you will get an basic method of a segment type, which is NFO OOPT. Okay, so this is basically ask for what type of option you are trying to get. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, so you need to follow this stuff, and we will match with our segment, and then we download that stuff. Okay, so what we have to say is about instruments, and we are doing in segment category. Okay, so I just get the column and I will say segment underscore type. Okay, and after this I'm gonna straight away download in CSV file. Okay, in which I will say as in NFO. Okay, say segment dot to underscore CSV. Okay, and we'll say as NFO dot CSV. Okay, so we are good here, and I'm definitely gonna say index as a false because I don't want an extra column. Okay, so after this we will get an pure option. Okay, instead of any of other things we'll get only FN option. Okay, so let's go for this thing. So as you can see, it is downloaded, and I am able to get this files whichever I am looking for, especially containing our FNO. Okay, now next what we can do is I'm gonna take this stuff, I'm gonna read this segment. Okay, and I'm gonna do a super method. Okay, from this what I'm gonna do is I will fetch a particular NFO list, and from that I'm gonna call my current expiry as well. Okay, so suppose if I'm talking about, first of all I need to read the FNO symbols. Okay, so I can call as an NFO, and I will say as a PD dot read underscore CSV. Okay, and I will give the name which I am looking for. So I will just read this stuff, and this is definitely in a data frame will be there. So what I have to say, suppose in this particular list I'm looking for certain name as well as the trading symbol. So whichever I'm looking for, I can name them. Okay, I will call them as a symbol. Okay, and I will call as a FNO. Okay, and I will try to sort the values. Okay, so straight away as I can say, it is contain of name. Okay, and the next which I am going to talk about is expiry. So I'm going to sort expiry, and then it is very much simple. So suppose if I got this stuff, I need to drop the duplicates. Okay, so if I get the duplicates, then what I have to say about this subset, and the name which I'm looking for. Okay, should be sort by name. Okay, so in case of the name which is in continuous manner, only one I should get. Okay, and what are the things I need to keep is first or last, so I will go with the first. Okay, So these are the things which you need to follow, and after that I think everything will be smooth. Okay, so these are the things which I will get. Okay, so as I say, first of all I just get the list which I am looking for. Okay, NFO list, the name, updated name. Okay, so as you can see, each and everything. Okay, and this URL which I am fetching, it is updating, okay, day by day. Okay, so the list which you are looking for investment or trading, this is the best. Okay, and so suppose the current expiry which I am looking for, so this is how I can go. If I just say trading symbol, okay, it will get for me the trading symbol which I am looking for. So if I believe the next expiry will be will coming on say, if I particularly look for Nifty, so around 21 September it will be there. So okay, so first of all I just take means if I go with alphabetical order, okay, first of all I will search with N. Okay, so as you can see, this is Nifty. So Nifty, and this is what I am trying to fetch. So as I said, this 21 September, okay, will be the expiry. So here I got the 21 September, and the strike, it is 17,750 rupees. Okay, which I think I can do it as if when I'm sorting all this stuff, I can do it with the help of my strike price. Okay, so earlier if I with just in this read, if I talk about strike as well, I can put a for loop, and I can get whichever I'm looking for. Okay, for this method you can follow through FIRE's API key, okay, which is free of cost, and you can pay to Zerodha as well for 2000 rupees, and you can do that stuff. Third method which I am doing, okay, if you join my channel, you can take our membership, and from that you can have the token and can retrieve the LTP codes. Okay, so a number of things which you can fetch as an instrument token and can utilize further. Okay, so this is the thing which I am doing. So suppose if you don't want to pay 2000 rupees, okay, and want to trade in Zerodha via API in Python, okay, so that reason you can join the channel. Okay, you can I haven't started this video, a series video, which it will be gonna on Kite Trade free API. Okay, so I must say that go for these things. Okay, and rest of the things you can carry from basic videos. I think it will be going to be in a smooth transitions and one and the same. Okay, for that reason you can like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.